Hey, how's it going, everyone? I just want to say welcome to the channel, and also thank you for tuning in to our first official video on the Block AK channel. Pretty much the first video since it's Block AK. I figured we'd do a little AK video here. This is the Palmetto GF3-R Romanian. It's the desert pickup model version, whatever you want to call it. So this isn't old. This is actually a new AK. It's just made to look that way. And basically, whenever I went to clean it for the first time, I didn't really see a whole lot of videos on this exact model. So I figure someone out there maybe looking up for this model may have trouble finding a video, but the video I did find to properly take it apart was just regular AK. I assume they're all the same, but I'm gonna be honest, I really don't know. But I figured I'd go ahead and do this video for you guys. So this is going to be a disassembly and reassembly. Bear with me, guys. I'm not going to be the smoothest, but I'll show you guys how to do it somewhat right. So first thing, make sure you don't have any mag or any rounds inserted. Make sure there's nothing there. We're good to go. And then I'd go ahead and just kind of point this down to the little firing position here. And then you got a little, I consider a little button here. You just kind of press that in a little bit. Your little top piece will come off here. Set that aside. Then this spring here, there's a little like railing here, so you just push it forward a little bit, pull it out, and then you just kind of pull this back and out, and then you can get your firing pin out here. Can't really see what I'm doing. And then this way, this is pretty much just if you're wanting to clean it. There's a lot more you can do to take it apart. We're not going to mess with that today though, but this is really good access for cleaning everything, all the main stuff. So, and then put it all back together. You just slide this back in. And sorry if you guys can hear the wind outside. We're on I think a tornado watch or a severe thunderstorm watch. And then basically, there's a hole here that it just slides back into. You may have to kind of pick it up, jiggle it around a little bit. And you can see here, you got some more rails and slide here. I don't know if you guys can really see it too well. But basically, you want this towards the back. And then you kind of push down on it. This is the challenging part for me. You push it down. You push it forward, and now that's in place. And if it's kind of difficult, just make sure to pull it back a little bit and make sure that it goes down. These little, I don't even know what you want to call that there. Just make sure it goes down and that it goes in the little railing here. I had some difficulties with that at first. Then after that, you insert your spring back in this hole here. Push that in. Put it back in these little rails here. You take your top plate here, whatever you want to call it. There's a little like notch, indent, whatever here. Slide that in there, hold it there, and just push down. This will come pop back. Put it back safe mode. You guys are good to go. So if you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Some quick stuff to expect from the channel is a lot of gun related stuff. Also, it's going to be more of a variety channel. So it'll be like guns, probably like a little bit of gaming, and also probably like tech related stuff, tech repair, whatnot. And if you guys didn't know before, I did have a channel, Ninja Asylum, but I figured I'd create a new channel just to kind of see how it did. And since my name's Blake, I figured it'd be kind of cool to make the name Block AK. I figured it's kind of catchy, kind of cool. Let me know what you guys think, maybe what you want to see, maybe what you want to see from this gun. This is definitely probably my second favorite gun, I'd say, behind my Glock 48 here. And if you guys want to see this is the Glock 48 rose gold engraved. So let me know if you guys want to see a video on this. Please like and subscribe. See you guys next time.